Value-added tax. It is a flat tax levied on an item that's similar to a sale tax in some respect, except that with a sale tax, why are we paying but simply because it creates significant income for the economy and comparatively easy to manage. Kinds of VAT. VAT on the sale of goods, properties. The 12% VAT shall be based on the gross selling price or gross value in money of the goods or properties sold, bartered, or exchanged. VAT on importation of goods. On importation of goods, 12% based on the total value used by Bureau of Customs in determining tariff and custom duty plus custom duty, excise tax if any, and other charge such as tax to be paid by importer to the release of such goods from custom custody. VAT on sale of services and use or lease of properties. According to RA Act of number 8241, value-added tax on sale of services and use or lease of properties, a rate and base of tax there shall be levied, assessed, and collect a value-added tax equivalent to 10% of gross receivable derived from the sale of exchange or services, including the use of lease of properties. Income tax. Type of tax government imposed on income generated by businesses and individuals within their jurisdiction. Income tax used to fund public services, pay government obligation, and provide goods for citizens. In general, the income tax on the individual taxable income shall be computed based on the following schedule as provided under Sec. 24A of the Tax Code. Tax due is a payable tax amount that you're going to pay that should be based on the range of taxable income. Like example, as we can see on the table, tax due formula is A plus B times C. Let's compute your basic amount of 30,000 that stand for A, and the additional rate of 25% that stand on B, and the excess over of 250,000 as our C. To compute, let's use the formula. So 92,500 in the amount that you're going to pay. Taxation. It is important to pay the right taxes at the right amount and the right time as the government needs taxes to finance its function. We all aware that the government uses the taxes as we fund on their project that can increase the economy of our country. Quarter income tax means quarter per year from word itself. Quart means 4, so 4 times per year on income tax. Annual income tax, payable annual or every 6 months of the year, so means 2 times per year on income tax. Monthly value-added tax, it is a payable monthly on VAT. Quarter value-added tax means payable quarterly.